Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering exact amounts. 12 ounces dry spaghetti, 2 cups tomato sauce, 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 cloves garlic, 1 small onion, 1/2 teaspoons salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 cup grated Parmesan. Mince garlic and finely chop the onion so they cook evenly. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and cook the pasta for 1 minute less than package directions. Reserve 1 cup pasta water before draining to use for the sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat and add the chopped onion. Cook until translucent, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook another 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in 2 cups tomato sauce, stir, and simmer gently for about 5 minutes to deepen flavor. Lower heat and pour in 1 cup heavy cream. Stir continuously to combine into a uniform pink color. Finish by whisking in 1/2 cup reserved pasta water and 1/4 cup grated Parmesan to emulsify and thicken. Add the drained spaghetti directly into the skillet with the pink sauce and toss gently for 1 to 2 minutes so the sauce clings to each strand. Add more reserved pasta water if it seems too thick. Taste and adjust, seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and an optional pinch of red pepper flakes for heat. Finish by stirring in 1 tablespoon butter for sheen. Then plate and top with an extra 1/4 cup grated Parmesan and chopped fresh basil. Optionally, squeeze 1/2 lemon over the dish for bright acidity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.